I am here going to do my hair. I booked a hair appointment for 12 p.m. and I'm excited. You guys don't want to see how my hair look under this cap, but just continue watching and see what happened, okay? I look good. You know, I did a quick makeup. I'm actually getting better with my makeup because, believe it or not, you did not want to see how my makeup used to look years ago. But, you know, there's still room for improvement. But okay, let me hit the road so I can make it to my appointment on time. Man, look at this mess. Ooh.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta
I would try to do better.
Yeah.
So actually, I have like a lot of content.
Really?
A
You just
lot.
need to edit it and get it posted.
That. But the crazy thing too, one of my videos that I posted 2 months ago, and it was like for Orlando Carnival, and it's actually doing pretty good. And this was like
did good.
it's actually doing good. So I finally hit 2,000 subscribers. I hit 2,000 subscribers.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
That is super exciting. What is like the basis of your content? All of your
So it's just more around like my life.
How long does it normally take to edit one video?
Oh, Jesus. It takes a while since I'm the one that's doing it. So, yeah, it's a lot of work. But I got better. It's fun. I enjoy it.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
I think you really have to enjoy it to do it because, like, even myself, like, as a stylist, I'm like, we can't just do hair anymore. We have to content.
Oh, yeah.
And, girl, I'll be trying to go to the shortest. I'm like, okay, I just need 7 seconds. Okay, cool. 3 seconds. Before you know what that video is, 30 seconds. I'm trying to pack everything in there.
So many things I want to tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah.
That your hair, that first shampoo didn't last. I was having a lot of buildup on it.
She want to, man.
Listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna give you wild. Take me for a ride, show me
Last time was the side one. I'm gonna try the middle part with this big forehead.
That's the thing. That's the number one reason why I don't do middle part.
Oh man, I can't believe I'm doing this middle part. I'm taking a risk, guys.
You taking a risk. I think you like it still.
One time, baby, bring it to me. One lie. No, I need it.
Come in.
One time, two times, a few times.
Twice a month.
So if you can even get once a month, that'll be good. But ideally twice a month. So that would be like every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks. Okay. Which service is that under? Which service is under?
The treatments.
Yeah.
It'll be I think it's called luxury hair care. Luxury hair care treatment.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the name of the service. Make sure it looks good.
Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna.
So tell the people what you're doing today and what package that I selected.
Okay, so today, guys, what we're going to be doing is the Bob package. What my client booked. Girl, why you got me on the spot like this? You know you gonna-
Practice makes perfect. You got this.
Oh my god. So we're gonna just be doing a bob today, guys. A quick weave bob. We're gonna have minimal leave out around the hairline and the top for a more natural finish. And the package included hair, of course. But yeah, the package included shampoo, deep conditioning treatment, trim, hair, install, cut, and style. And that is what we're going to be doing today. So right now we're just parting out all of our leave outs, which are going to be leaving out hair around the hairline, because when the wind blows, we do not want to see tracks, we want to see hair.
Got that right.
So ladies, save your edges. Save your edges for these type of styles.
Good thing I got
Because
some
with
edges.
this right here, you'll be able to kind of, do the whole behind the ear thing, and it'll just kind of, everything will merge. When I'm finished, you'll see you'll be able to kind of have a more natural finish, or I would say realistic.
Yeah.
The Lord is here.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
All right, dryer.
Go, baby, at last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
I just wanted to have
Hello?
bag.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can't try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up. But there's more to it. I remember once saying less on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body.
Right.
seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. 1 second, find out if it's ready to go.
You recorded this?
I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about the smile? Or what about the style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine.
I'm steady trying to get in this camera.
Oh yeah, really good. Perfect lab.
How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours.